San Diego. This San Diego school then. Come on, the mic now. San Diego, read me now. San Diego, you know the reason why Ari carries so much artists here today? For promote abstinence. Abstinence to what? Abstinence? Give up ministry education to you. You say me a dealing. Play back another rhythm because you don't know a man thing, you know. And over the year them a try chip. Get to youths. But San Diego get wise now. See it here? You know it? Welcome now. Welcome now. Welcome now. My short stars. From me there you arrival. Second to youth sacrifice. Believe in the concrete jungle. San Diego never left out your Bible. Believe from me there you arrival. Second to youth sacrifice. Believe in the concrete jungle. Rastaman never left out your Bible. Cause from my born out and my mother me say people are suffer every day in the road is like say things are get tougher. The youths them want to work and tell me where them are go buster. That's why you only have DJs, dancers and gunbuster. Hungry daddy, hungry you, hungry baby mother. In the system, under the pressure, love got out rubber. Them done set we up from long time. Feet kill off to one another. San Diego, my brother. Look up. A youth will start to rise, them never lie. That time you listen to me? Jano. On and our journey. Here we go, San Diego. And there's no turning back. I saw them stay. Mine, one get for you go and that clay. Them bad mind, San Diego, I saw them stay, yeah. Them bad mind, one get for you go and that clay. I can't tell them a true story, San Diego. Left 3 minutes. Then looking at them eyes you can't tell. As you start rise but mine I can't spell. Would I want to me flap and mash up. So them say police cars me link with cartel. Welcome the big Sandra. Schoolers, you don't know what Portmore Empire thing said, no? We're born pedophile. We're born a raper. We're born a child molester. St. James said born a raper. Alright, new tune, Peter and talk about. You saw the schoolers them look good and clean in them uniform. Some youths them wanna try violate them. We don't wanna try this St. Diego youth them, you see? So one of them can be the Prime Minister. No? So I have to tell them what it is. I always have to tell them this. Don't touch the schoolers, touch the schoolers, don't touch the schoolers, touch the schoolers, don't touch the schoolers, touch the schoolers, boy, you touch the schoolers. Twist the figure, touch the schoolers, touch the schoolers, don't touch the schoolers, touch the schoolers, don't touch the schoolers, touch the schoolers. San Diego, them touching you. When we talk about them, choose it in a hard dress and a frock up there. You are watching little girl, but she cock up here. I talk about say you want to put that up there. Man like them man, they forget lock up where. 35 years, in electric tears or cry tears. A boy if he get mash up here. So if a boy see me daughter and go school and touch her, he might get mash up here. Touch his school. Yo, we didn't start pull my shoes lace or alright, you want tie that one, you tie that one. You tie that one. Davina, you see what I'm going? Davina. Kiki. Alright, we are turning up the scheme. San Diego said turn up the scheme. Play that in the 3 minutes. Can you see a bag of thing I go on a Spanish town? No, I don't love the lace now. No, I'm a sing for now. No, I'm a sing. War done and party boys come. Anyway the music played on the tone. Dance with the moon till you rise. And the sun in a deep time. So give me vibes of it. I love me in a transfer. But when I'm here, I'm with private school. And in here with manliness in a sandstar. Sing the party in South Boy. Then I'm get to you. So you want to go on now? San Diego. No, Jono, look what you do me. A joke. Richie, you see what I go on? Yo, the time is. Gotta be a bright picnic there. Hold on, one at a time. Now I'm going to pull it back and then tie it again. I'm too much on the right, I say a tie, yes? Oh, Jesus. Hold on. Give me a say now. After the come, sir, come to school, Zin St. Diego, teacher go to homework. You call the favorite teacher name. Call them name. Good. See? So the teacher stays now. Boom, go to homework. See, you know, go home, do the homework. Come back to school, do the teacher. So the teacher comes to our mark the homework and getting a big mark, 95, even 100 to them. So when you don't go home, you stay a step boss, you are going to the house. So your mother see a step in boss, you hear about how your steps the boss to come in the house. Just step out the school book and say, Mommy, you never know this. Them are pre-out. Teacher. St. Diego, no matter what, hard to send them to come to school, you know. Some of them are father too. So we have to rate to the parents now. Them work hard for them cheddar every day and night. Now busy doing folly in a your eyesight. Diego, Jah help those who help themselves in run my life, so. But just in case I didn't know, and my life work hard every day, thank God, just to make a little dough. And my life, all the sweat on my brow, things slow, but me love my I need to want to make it in my life, but first I gotta go. So the limit is it. And even if me fall from the cloud, still the eye by the help of Jah, my light has to shine. I'm the only one who can give me that inside. If up me have to try, I know me no fix my mother eye. Me not stop one for this, till me get it on my cup. For the day my mother try, I pass the exam, sing. Teacher sign me away. So when that mind I try to stop me, every day me pray chapter and work hard for each other every day and night. Now busy doing folly in a Jah eyesight. Jah help those who help themselves in run my life. But just in case I didn't know, and my life work hard every day, thank God, just to make a little dough. And my life by the sweat of my brow, things slow, but me love my level. Them say St. Diego now reach nowhere in a chance. Eh? You know them do bad mind what them a do. How long them want we go lose. But I better them St. Diego tell them. Cause St. Diego need just to make news. I'm talking to the truth. I better them stop. St. Diego tell them to stop. Don't me now rise and I need them to like them. I go watch me and climb over them my sight. No for them are hypocrite, no for parasite. Don't them want spite for them set them a fight. Work hard for each other every day and night. We're busy doing folly in a Jah eyesight. Jah help those who help themselves. We're gonna me heart now. I'm alive.